Okay, good morning, gentlemen. Your topic is brain drain, and you have just a 10-minute. Start your group discussion.
Gentlemen, our topic is brain drain. We should divide our topic in 4 parts: introduction, causes, impact, and solution. So, starting from its introduction, brain drain. So, the migration of skilled people from a developing country to the developed country is known as brain drain. So, you would be surprised to know this thing that India is the largest supplier of skilled people. So, what is your opinion, gentlemen?
Contribute their expertise to the economy of other country, and it will be very harmful for us. And what's your view, gentlemen?
I agree with
Okay,
you.
gentlemen,
We
people
all
are
know
going
that
to other
brain
countries
drain
for
is
higher
the
education, sir.
migration of my brain drain is the migration
Gentlemen,
of
brain drain is a very
people.
serious issue
But
for
these
our
they settle
country.
our
It
and do not return.
due to this loss.
Brain drain can be described as a process
Brain drain is essentially migration to
आवाज आ रही है?
homeland and to other developed brain drain. And what's your opinion on this topic, gentlemen?
I agree with Ravi. I कुछ पॉइंट और जोड़ना चाहूंगा. Brain drain can be described the process which can to our
So,
country.
if we talk
That
about the
trend
introduction for the brain drain, so the migration of skilled people from a developing country to the developed country is known as brain drain. So, you would be surprised to know this thing that India is the largest supplier of skilled people. So, now moving further regarding the causes of brain drain. So, few of the causes we can say: political instability. Let us suppose a politician came, he changed the rule. So it may be possible the rule which he made, it may be in favor or it may not be in favor of people. Second, we can say lack of education. If the people are not getting good quality of education, so they will not live on that place. Third, we can say lack of health facilities. If people are not getting good quality of health facilities, so they will not live there. So what is your opinion, gentlemen?
I agree with
Yes,
Hardik.
Hardik, I agree
And
with you. I would like to add some more points
to your points. First point, these all points you told, these are the push factors. The main push factors are the negative characters of one's hometown, means their home country, and they can quality of life. Causes of brain drain categorize to push our country to poles. The push factor
Okay,
negative.
gentlemen. According to me, there are lots of causes of brain drain, but they different and depending on the country that experiencing it. There are lots of causes like seeking a job and seeking a best higher pay selling job, and as Thakur Das earlier mentioned that the political instability also, and living a better quality of life, expectation of better quality of life. These are all cause of brain drain. And gentlemen, what's your view on?
Yes, Rajat, I agree with you.
Gentlemen,
I would like to add some more points to it.
I agree with you all.
Okay, I am agree with you. Living and misuse of state funds.
Brain drain is defined as migration of health personnel in a search of better
And shortage
standard
of skills and knowledge and lack of higher education.
I believe we have discussed the introduction. We are discussing the causes right now.
So now moving further regarding the impacts of brain drain. So few impacts we will talk about. Before moving to its impact, I would like to tell you something that more than 30 million of Indians are living in a foreign countries. Now moving to its impacts. So first impact we can say the lack of skilled opportunities from the country from people are leaving the nation. Lack of innovative ideas are also being decreased. So what is your opinion regarding the impacts, gentlemen?
I agree with Hardik, but I add some more points. Solution of brain drain. Solution of brain drain that is provide.
Gaurav, please stay here. Please don't stay on the
don't escalate the topic.
impacts.
We are discussing the impacts right now. So
Is there someone?
As Hardik just
Okay,
said,
gentlemen,
there is a loss of
lots
skilled individuals. So
there are lots
the
of
another
effects
impact we
like
can add to it
loss
that the
of
tax
country
revenue will be
investment in
increased
education,
as the
and
skill
Rajat,
loss
individual
of
Rajat, please be
critical
quiet.
health and
Rajat, be
education
quiet.
system.
Rajat, be quiet. Let Bhaiya speak. Yes, Pranay Bhaiya speak.
So I believe as to at the Hardik point, as there is a movement of skilled individuals from one nation to another nation. So the people in one country would be less, so the tax revenue will automatically decrease. Another point we can add to
Rajat,
it.
speak.
Another point we can add to it: the development of a nation will slows down as the skilled individual is moving from a developing nation to a developed nation. Also, we can say the infrastructure which is need to be developed or the fix will also slows down. Is anyone else want to add any point?
Rajat, continue
Yes, I
if you
want to
are.
add something.
And there are
A shortage of
loss of
employment
tax,
skilled
like
workers.
loss of tax revenue and loss of innovative idea, as Thakur Das earlier mentioned, and loss of country's investment in education and loss of critical health and education situation. And gentlemen, what do you want to say on it?
A shortage of employment skilled workers.
Okay, that's
So
fine.
now
Last,
moving
I would
further
like to
regarding
add
the solution of
Gentlemen, last 1 minute left.
so now moving to the solution regarding the brain drain, so we can add few points in the solution. So first, I think individual good facility should be provided to the people from where people are leaving the nation. Individual facility should be provided, good health facility should be provided to people. So what is your opinion, gentlemen?
I
Yes,
agree,
Hardik,
and
I
I would
agree with
like
you.
to
I
add
would
some
like
more
to add
point in the
more bit
solution.
to your point,
Experience,
and that I
improve the
think
quality of
that we cannot
university.
completely stop the brain drain, and in fact, we should add means we
Okay,
Can somebody
gentlemen,
cannot
conclude?
stop
Okay, okay.
brain
We
Time
drain.
is
can,
over.
Quality of
we can improve it from different
Stop.
types.
Time is over. Time is over. अब आपस में एक दूसरे को बताओ किसी ने क्या कमियां की, तब तक मैं कंक्लूड कर लूं रिजल्ट तुम्हारा। आपस में डिस्कस
Sir,
करो,
Thakur Das हंसता है
आपस में डिस्कस करो, मेरे साथ नहीं, आपस में।
ठाकुर दास हंसा ना कर।
यार तू हंसाता है बीच में, बोल दे कभी भी हंसा रहा है।
रजत भैया,
नहीं कोई नहीं किसी को करता, ठीक है, अपने आप हंसते हैं, ये आपको थोड़ी बोलता है कि आप हंसो।
सर एक बात पूछनी थी आपसे, जैसे कि इन्होंने बोला कि भाई क्या नाम है मेरे को तो पता नहीं, कि रजत भैया आप चुप हो तो ये बोलेगा, मतलब ऐसे क्या, मतलब ये एप्रोप्रिएट है ये मैनर?
हाँ क्या है? नहीं
ये
एप्रोप्रिएट
मैनर एप्रोप्रिएट है या नहीं?
नहीं
तो
एप्रोप्रिएट
सर
हर्षित ने बोला था सर।
तो लिख लिया ना, तो वो अपनी ईगो पे क्यों लेके जा रहा है? बोल दिया तो क्या हो गया, छोटा देर से बोल
नहीं
दिया।
सर ये नहीं मैं बोल रहा सर, ये एप्रोप्रिएट मैनर तो नहीं है, और सर मैंने फिर वो कोऑपरेटिव चल
तेरा कौन सा एप्रोप्रिएट मैनर था? जीडी देखना, अभी जीडी देखना, तेरे मैनर दिखाऊंगा तेरे को, अभी देखना, ठीक है? रुक जा, मैं इसको पॉज कर लूं क्योंकि मुझे तुम्हें अपना सुनाना है गालियां, इसको